Hello, Miss Brenna's friends. We are going to be looking at the rubric for our summative assessment. Here is our rubric. Within our rubric, as you can see, this is our demo unit rubric. We're going to be working on creating those images using the triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different things that we're going to be looking for to see if you are successful in completing your demo unit. The first step is if you have followed directions. Were you listening to Miss Brenna's directions on what we needed to be doing? Did you use all of the shapes that were assigned? And so you will get a smiley face if you have completed that. If you followed all of the directions, you will get a smiley face. If you did not follow the directions that were given in class, you will receive a frowning face. Use creativity. I want you to make your very own creation. I don't want to see the same picture that is the same as your neighbor's. I want to see what you have created and what you have come up with. And so if you have your own picture, you will be getting that smiley face. And if you did not create your own picture, if you were copying someone else's, then you're going to get a frowny face that you did not complete that task. Again, we want to have a square, a circle, a rectangle, and triangle. If you have a square in your picture, you will get a smiley face. If you have a circle in your picture, you will get a smiley face. If you get a rectangle in your picture, you will receive a smiley face. And if you have a triangle in your picture, you will receive a smiley face. Very, very, very important. Did you write your name on your picture? If you don't write your name on your picture, I won't know who to grade, and you won't be receiving a grade because I won't know who it is. So please, please, please make sure that you write your name on your picture so that you can get all of your points. Did you complete your picture? We're going to be working on this in class over multiple days. So you should have plenty of time to create a creative picture all on your own using all of the shapes and getting it completed. And then we're going to create our movie, and that again you'll be doing in class with me. We're going to use Flipgrid, and I will be helping you use the iPad, and you're going to be telling your story about your picture to our Flipgrid videos. And then it's important that we respond to our peers' movies. I'm going to make sure that I have you set up. You're going to make your peer response, and then we will have the opportunity, I'll have the opportunity to review them to make sure that what you said was kind before we share them with our peers. So make sure that you're doing all of these things to get all of your smiley face points and receive all of your points. You're going to do a fantastic job.